Merch by Amazon trending niche alert. In this video, I'm going to share with you a niche that I found that is starting to sell really well, but is it too late to upload to it? Hello everyone, my name is Mike. I'm a full-time print-on-demand YouTube video showing you how to make more money on Merch by Amazon and other print-on-demand platforms. If you like this kind of content and you get any value out of this video, make sure to subscribe to the channel, click the bell, and like the video. Now before I share with you the niche, I just want to do a quick sales update. So yesterday I ended up doing 10 sales, $29, and today doing a little better. You know, it's 5 p.m. in the afternoon and I'm at 13 sales with $36. Still getting some returns, again 3 again today, but no big deal, that's how it goes. Right now for the month, sitting at $190. So hopefully things will start to pick up as we get closer to Christmas. If you want to follow me on Instagram, where I post my daily sales, merch sales, my daily Etsy sales, was actually for the month. I also post like gym pics, entrepreneur pics, and just my life here in Mexico. So if you're interested, you can check the link in the description for Instagram. But now let's go ahead and get into this niche that I found that is selling really well, but it might be too late. And the reason why it might be too late is because the niche is Veterans Day. And today, or at the time of this recording, it is November 6th, and Veterans Day is this Saturday, November 11th, so in 5 days. Now, the good thing with Merch by Amazon is that when you upload with Merch by Amazon, if someone buys it, usually they have Prime, so I believe they get next day shipping. So, you know, I uploaded some designs in this niche today, so if someone were to buy one today, they'd probably get it tomorrow or the next day. So it's kind of too late, but I still think there's enough time. Another thing is that this can also be like an evergreen niche as well, because people will buy this year round, and there's also like Memorial Day and 4th of July as well. So, you know, I was kind of thinking, maybe I shouldn't upload to this niche because it's too late, but I decided, hey, the heck with that. I'm just going to go ahead and upload them. Hopefully they can sell year round, but we'll have to see how it goes. But the phrase that I have for this niche is this one right here, which is, drum roll please, my favorite veteran is my dad. You see there's only 138 results. It's very low in competition. And when we look at some of these BSRs, we're going to see that this niche is selling very well right now. So 61,000, 72, 21,000, all in the Climate Pledge Friendly BSR. Now these are in the Climate Pledge Friendly category, but still that's very low. They're selling very well. And we're going to see just all these designs, all these listings are doing really good job. Like this one's down to 7,000, also in the Climate Pledge Friendly category. These ones, or this one right here, is not in the Climate Pledge Friendly. It's sitting at 414, and it just keeps going really good. 216, not in the Climate Pledge Friendly. 310, not in the Climate Pledge Friendly. This one is, but you can just see here, this niche or this phrase is selling very well, probably because of Veterans Day coming up, but I have a feeling that this can do well all year round. Now, when we go to test to see if this is trademarked, we're going to see my favorite veteran is my dad. Hit enter. We're going to see that nothing pops up, and the competition on the other print-on-demand sites are low. So when we go to Etsy, we're going to see that there's only 1,000 results. The designs are pretty similar to what we saw on Merch by Amazon. The majority of them, you know, are basically a flag with text on the top and the bottom. You might be able to get some designs right from Etsy. You just have to check the description just to make sure that it is allowed. If they don't say, you can always just message them. That's what I do. Just say, hey, is this design allowed to be uploaded onto Merch by Amazon or print-on-demand platforms? You can also get some other ideas, which I'll talk about here in a second. If we go to Redbubble, take a look at the competition. We're going to see that there's only 63 results. So another really good niche for Redbubble that has low in competition. Again, I would focus on having a sticker as the thumbnail. Stickers are the best selling product on Redbubble by far. You know, it's probably stickers, then t-shirts, then maybe like cell phone cases, maybe something like that, but definitely stickers is the best. So I would definitely have a design like this or a listing like this where I have the sticker as the thumbnail. People will buy this like for their cars, laptops, water bottles, things like that. Then when we go to TeePublic to take a look at the competition there, I'm not really seeing anything. Or no, here we go. Here are some designs. So it looks like there are, but not too much. I think this style works a lot better where you have like the actual flag than doing like the groovy font. So I would do something more kind of like this. But now let me go ahead and show you how you can actually scale this design, because there's a lot more people than just dad. Now, what's also really cool about this niche is that it can be scaled. So you can just make one design like this, and all you have to do is just change out the demographics. So I'm just going to go over some demographics because there's a lot actually for this niche. So instead of just doing my favorite veteran is my dad, you can do different ways of saying dad. So you can do my favorite veteran is my papa, my favorite veteran is my daddy, my favorite veteran is my poppy. So there's different ways to say dad. And let me just show you these other examples right here. So you just basically just want to think like any type of demographic. So my favorite veteran is my grandpa, is my grandfather, my grandmother. Here we have some more examples. This one right here is my favorite veteran is my wife. So this also works for like the female demographic as well. You can do wife, you can do mom. I think I have mom here somewhere. Let's see what the next one is. Yeah, this one is mom right here. That looks like a pretty good design. One thing to also mention is that, I would recommend that you make sure that youth is selected, because a lot of these, my favorite veteran is my mom, is my dad, is going to be for kids. So make sure youth is selected. But let's see what else we have here. This one is my favorite veteran is my big brother or my big sister. You can do things like that. My favorite veteran is my cousin, is my uncle, is my aunt. I mean, there's just so many different ways that you can scale this. My favorite veteran is my daughter, is my son. My favorite veteran is my granddaughter, is my grandson. Those are some more ones. And you can just see it just keeps going. This is the daddy one that I was telling you about. Let's see what we have here. This next one is son. I mentioned that one. So you can see there's just so many. So stepdad, that's really thinking outside of the box. So stepdad, stepmom. You can go that route if you wanted to. And this last one that I have is my favorite veteran is my boyfriend. And all of these that I show you have BSRs or selling. My favorite veteran is my girlfriend. That's another one. Wife, husband. So I think you get the idea. This could be a scaled design. And as I showed you earlier, this niche is selling very well, because Veterans Day is right around the corner. Now, again, it could be too late, but I still went ahead and uploaded my designs. If you go to Creative Fabrica, you can actually find some designs here. So I just typed in my favorite veteran is my, I think, dad. But you can just do my favorite veteran is my, and there's different types of demographics that will pop up. But you can get some good designs here. You just have to click on the print on demand special license to make sure that you are allowed to use it for Merch by Amazon and other print on demand platforms. Now, I do have an affiliate link for Creative Fabrica in my description. So if you just go to any one of my videos, scroll down right here, this link right here will take you to Creative Fabrica. Now, it is an affiliate link, so if you do sign up using my link, I do get a small commission. But like I always talk about, Creative Fabrica is my #1 spot for finding designs for Merch by Amazon. It is how I've been able to make a lot of these sales that I have right here. I know how to design, but I'm not the best designer. I'm trying to show you my sales right here, but it looks like it's taking too long. But basically, if you sign up to Creative Fabrica or Creative Fabrica, I don't even know which way you say it, but you'll get fonts, you'll get graphics, you get AI. They even have courses, so if you want to learn like some other types of ways how to make money online, they have courses. They even have a whole POD section. All right, so if you're interested, check out Creative Fabrica. They're only like $60 for the year, but a lot of times, keep an eye out, because a lot of times they have these specials where you can get it for only $30. That's how much I got it for last year, and then that price is locked in. So every year when you renew, it will be at that same price. So keep a lookout, because sometimes you can get it for only $30. And then I also have a couple courses as well. So if you go to my description right here, I have a merch course and a Redbubble course. If you click on one of these links, it's going to take you to Udemy. That's where I have both my courses at. These courses are good for beginners or for people who are struggling to get sales on Merch by Amazon. I will teach you my exact strategy on how I get sales like this right here on a regular basis. Whoops. But yeah, so that is going to be it for this video. Comment below what you think. Do you think it's too late to upload to these niches? Do you think this will be a good evergreen niche? Because we also have Memorial Day that comes up. We also have 4th of July. So let me know what you think in the comments, if it's too late or not. Are you going to upload to this niche? Let me know. If you're looking for more Merch by Amazon ideas, check out my YouTube channel. I just put out a video today about these 7 low competition vasectomy niches. I got some other ones right here for Thanksgiving. And just a whole bunch of I got Christmas niches, evergreen niches. I teach you how I do my advertising on Merch by Amazon. So if you're interested, check out this playlist right here. Subscribe, like the video, and thanks so much for watching. I just want to give a big thank you to everybody that's been supporting the channel. Getting really close. I know I keep saying that, getting really close to being monetized. So hopefully it will happen within the next week or so. But that is going to be it for this video. If you have any questions, put them in the comments. Also, if you want to send me like a direct message, when you follow me on Instagram, you can just send me a message right there. I will respond to your message, whether it's about merch by Amazon, or whether it's about Etsy, or just print on demand, life, whatever. Hit me up. But that's going to be it for today's video. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you on the next one. Adios.